Hello! Thanks for checking out this video. This is about our new product called Mineral Sunscreen Lotion, SPF 50, right? So what's the difference between this and stuff you're buying in the store that's a little bit cheaper and it goes through really clear? Now this is one of the biggest issues, I think, is that it's non-nano zinc oxide. Okay, so for some reason the industry felt like it was good to put nanoparticles in our sunscreen, and they adapt and change from what I understand, but we don't know how they interact with the human body, and no research has been done on that. And so it's a really open door to things happening inside your system, because everything you put on your skin gets absorbed into your skin, into your bloodstream, and goes throughout your body. And if we don't know what that does to the human body, then it definitely should be a concern to us, right? Also, this it's been cleared by the Skin Cancer Foundation, which is pretty cool, I think. And it involves, it blocks several types of rays, just like the stuff you're buying in the store. So it's comparable as far as protection is concerned, but it's 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils inside there. And there's some of the listed ones. Frankincense is incredible, and so is myrrh. You look up on a website called PubMed. Let's do that. PubMed. This is the research website for medical publications. So they don't publish anything on this site if it hasn't been peer reviewed. So Boswellia serrata is it's sacred frankincense. Boswellia itself would just be like normal frankincense. And if I do a search on frankincense, this is all the stuff it comes up with. And it's at least, this is the first 20 of 537 articles that have all been double checked by peers to say that this research has been done in a way that is official, and it backs up against, like if they would do another research project on the same thing, the results should be the same because of the way the research was done. Okay, that's the best and simplest way to explain that. And so they go through tons of issues there. Radiation treatment, Boswellia acid used to radiation treatment inhibited by to tumor cells, inhibited tumor cells when you join those two treatments together. Frankincense upregulates the hippocampal, which is part of your brain. Okay, so up regulates your brain development. Well, in this research project they use rats, and there's a reason why they use rats close to human beings. Anyway, anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic effects of menthol extract and the bark of a Boswellia tree. That's a different type of frankincense tree by the end of it. Alright, so there's all these different articles. If you really feel like you want to, look at that. Boswellia serrata gum resin, blood glucose and lipid profile of diabetic patients and how it affects it. Double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled clinical trial is one of the best kind of research projects that could go on. And so there's all these guys around the world, and they're doing all this different kind of research on essential oils, and all this has been double backed up. So I'm not saying by FDA regulations that it does anything as far as healing, but you can see from those research articles, you can see from those research articles of what it's capable of, and it's in this sunscreen. Okay, so as well as the other effects, I haven't even gone into those. It's broad spectrum, Skin Cancer Foundation cleared, but why we love it, you can go through this yourself and like pause it on different sections of this video and see. But it's safe to use on babies 6 months and older, and all this has been cleared by the FDA on this one. Okay, and the sunscreen does not include any of these. Parabens you've probably heard of, they've been big in the industry as far as talking about cancer causing and carcinogenic. So it's really important that you understand all this stuff. But they've taken everything that could possibly be seen as toxic artificial colors. If you look at some of the other sunscreens, you may see yellow 5, red 40 in there, or blue and yellow 5 to create green kind of look to it, especially in the aloe gels. You've got to be careful about that stuff because some of that stuff has been banned in Europe for causing ADHD problems in kids. Now, you say, well, I'm not putting it internally into my kids, I'm just putting it on their skin. But you got to understand the skin is part of the human body, and it is an organ of the human body. It absorbs anything you put on it into the skin, goes into your bloodstream and runs around your body's systems. So we need to have an understanding of that, okay? Also, look at this. It's reef safe and cruelty free. It doesn't cause any problems to wildlife, which we can't guarantee that with other things, right? Seed to seal process. There's a actual site. If you go seedtoseal.com, they've created a site where it explains that process and how they go about extracting these oils from the actual trees, or their research into making sure that they're the purest form of essential oils you can get. This is available. I can ship it to you if you want it. It's a PDF file, so it's really hard to share it with Facebook. I've been trying to do that, and there's some way around it. I've just got to learn how to do it. But if you're interested in ordering this product, let me know. I can send you a link. All right, take care. God bless. Bye.